We all get those tiny pockets of free time, just 3 minutes after class, during a lunch break, or right before bed. What if you use those minutes to do something small, yet powerful? In today's video, we'll uncover how most of us unknowingly spend hours each week scrolling social media, watching endless reels, or just passing time. But what if you made a tiny shift? These small actions, done daily, can grow your skills, boost your confidence, and build a habit of making every minute count. So let's not waste another second. Let's jump right into today's topic. Watch till the end. You might just unlock a new version of yourself. And if this video helps you even a little, please give it a like. Have questions or thoughts? Share them in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content like